Hi and welcome. My name is Suicide Villa, also known as SV, the System Networker, and System stands for Save Yourself Stress, Time, Energy, and Money. And I'm going to show you guys a powerful software. Once you opt in with your name and email in here, you'll get to see the back office of how this software will wonderfully calculate all the debt that you may accrue in your lifetime, your car bills, your medical bills, your student loan bills, to your mortgage bills. Now, if you have a mortgage interest rate of more than 4%, if you follow the system that it's going to share with you of what to pay first, it's going to calculate all the interest and show you which one to pay off first. Okay, mathematically, it's a formula. It's a financial GPS that's going to help you do that, so you don't have to do the thinking, because I don't like to do math and to think about that. Just give me the number, I'll pay it, and before you know it, you're going to have a celebration date, target time that you're going to be able to hit before you know it, and you're going to be victorious to be out of debt, okay? And that's the goal, because America's over debt. If you ask me, a lot of people are hurting, so this software is going to help you out. Opt in, thank the person that shared this with you, and once you opt in, you're going to see the other video of the landing page of how it is utilized. So take charge and get started and learn more by opting in. I'll see you guys on the other side. Suicide Villa of Team 11. Together, everyone achieves more. Coming together as one, winning on networks. Team 11. It is good getting out of debt. Join us. We'll see you guys on a live event or online webinar event. Take care. Peace out. SV signing out.